What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Today I decided to do a little something different, change of pace. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you the Nissan R36 GT-R Hyper Force. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. Bring up the Nissan GT-R in any automotive conversation and you're bound to stir opinions. Regardless of whether it's love or disdain, there's a universal acknowledgement of respect. The GT-R badge carries weight among car enthusiasts, and for a good reason. These cars are genuinely exceptional. Now, enter the Nissan GT-R Hyper Force, a machine that could either be the next Japanese Batmobile or a glimpse into the future of the GT-R lineage as well as other EV vehicles. Nissan envisions the Hyper Force as a hyper-electric vehicle with eco-conscious features designed for everyday usability. It's almost like a Greenpeace-inspired GT-R concept, offering clues about the potential appearance of a next-gen GT-R, or so we speculate. The key highlights of the Hyper Force include a fully electric drivetrain with dual motors, a next-gen performance version of Nissan's E-Force four-wheel drive, and a formidable solid-state battery generating 1,000 kilowatts of power. Translated, that's approximately 1,341 brake horsepower, promising the expected sub 3 seconds 0 to 60 times and exhilarating in-gear acceleration. The claim of a solid-state battery is intriguing, given their potential advantages over traditional lithium-ion batteries, though their large-scale implementation in EVs is yet to be fully realized. Regarding design and aesthetics, while the concept boasts futuristic and space-age elements, its visual impact is undeniable. Despite claims that it represents an eco-conscious vision, the Hyper Force exudes an aggressive and formidable demeanor. Notably, there are subtle echoes of the R35 GT-R, especially around the window line, C-pillar, and distinctive head and taillights. The design incorporates practical aerodynamic features, including dual-level diffusers, front and rear wings, and active aerodynamic elements. Developed with input from Nismo, which is Nissan's motorsport division, these elements lend a sense of realism to the concept. The forged carbon aero wheels and a plasma actuator, enhancing grip and minimizing wheel lift during cornering, further contribute to the machine's performance-oriented design. Now, regarding interior innovations, the interior of the Hyper Force blends elements of a fast jet cockpit with the ambiance of a Berlin nightclub. Illuminated by various lights that change color based on the driving mode, the cockpit offers an intriguing blend of functionality and aesthetics. In racing mode, presented in vivid red, the satellite screens provide essential information for high-speed driving, including details on tire pressure, tire temperature, rotor temperature, torque vectoring, and traction control. Switching to Grand Touring mode, is the interior in calming blue tones, focusing on comfort features like climate control, audio, and satellite navigation. However, the full carbon fiber seats and 4-point harnesses, and even in GT mode, may not be the epitome of comfort. Notably, the Hyper Force introduces virtual reality goggles, allowing users to utilize the car as a simulator when parked, or engage in augmented reality with skeleton visors on a real racetrack. The GT-R nameplate carries significant weight due to its rich history, motorsport success, technological advancements, and iconic status in popular culture. Originating from the PGC-10 Skyline GT-R in 1969, the GT-R has been a symbol of high performance at an affordable price. Its motorsport achievements, coupled with technological innovations like a Tesla ETS all-wheel drive, twin turbos, four-wheel steering, and NISMO enhancements contribute to its legendary status. Behind the power, the Hyper Force doesn't just dazzle with its looks. It packs a punch with an impressive 1,360 horsepower, making it a pure electric powerhouse. The concept introduces solid-state battery technology, promising enhanced power, extended range, and faster charging times. Nissan envisions incorporating this technology not only in high-performance cars like the GT-R, but also in mainstream models. Now, I know all of you must be wondering, well, what on earth does this have to do with technology? This is a car. Well, the answer is plenty. Let's go back to that solid-state battery technology. Now, let's explore how solid-state lithium metal batteries, exemplified by QuantumScape, differ in design and operation. QuantumScape, a US startup, is making waves in the solid-state battery arena. Their approach involves a semi-solid-state battery, eliminating the anode. In a QuantumScape solid-state lithium metal battery, there are only two main layers, a cathode, which is a positive electrode, with an electrical contact, and a solid-state ceramic separator, replacing the conventional porous polymer separator. Notably, there is no traditional anode layer. Instead, there is an electrical contact in its place. And regarding the charging process, during the charging process, lithium departs from the cathode and moves through the atomic lattice of the non-porous solid-state ceramic separator. Upon passing through the separator, lithium accumulates between the separator and the electrical contact, forming a new anode layer of pure metallic lithium. Now, regarding the advantages of solid-state lithium metal, a lithium metal anode in solid-state batteries allows for energy storage in a smaller volume, resulting in higher energy density compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. This characteristic enables greater range, a 15-minute fast charge capability, and enhanced safety by eliminating the organic polymer separator. And above all, it'll allow for smaller sized batteries. QuantumScape envisions a future where the advantages of solid-state lithium metal technology shape the evolution of battery technology. In essence, the Nissan Hyper Force is Nissan's conceptualization of a hyper-electric vehicle, potentially hinting at the future direction of the GT-R as well as other vehicles. While it incorporates real-world technologies and design elements, the concept is not a one-to-one preview of the next GT-R, which most likely will be designated the R36. The question remains, would it be an issue if the actual next-gen GT-R closely resembled the Hyper Force? What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, as it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and also thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.